Imagine this. You're stuck in the wild. No lighter, no matches, just the freezing cold creeping in, and you need fire. Fast. But what if I told you, there's a simple trick that can start a fire anywhere, using something you probably have right now. Most people don't know this, but survival experts swear by it. Forget rubbing sticks together. This method works in rain, snow, and even strong winds. And once you see this, you'll never struggle to start a fire again. Think you know how to start a fire? Think again, because this one simple trick could be the difference between survival and freezing in the dark. Get ready, because this might just save your life. Alright, here's the secret. All you need is steel wool and a battery. Sounds crazy, right? Boom! Fire! Almost instantly! The fine steel fibers create high resistance, heating up so fast they catch fire in seconds. And just like that, you've got fire. Here's why this works. Steel wool is made of superfine metal strands. When you touch a 9-volt battery, or even AA batteries with some foil, to the wool, it creates instant sparks and heat. Pro tip, the finer the steel wool, the faster it burns. And if you don't have a 9-volt battery, you can use 2 AA batteries and some foil to bridge the connection. But remember, fire needs fuel. Always have dry kindling ready before you spark the steel wool. Dry leaves, paper, or small twigs work best. And if you ever find yourself without matches again, just remember, steel wool and a battery can save the day. If you found this trick mind-blowing, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more survival hacks that could literally save your life. See you in the next one.